Introduce highlight features or overview summary for DR. Infrared heater DR-991, portable electric fireplace space heater with humidifier and remote. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Welcome the ultimate combination of cozy warmth and comfortable living with the DR. Infrared heater portable electric fireplace. This isn't just a heater, it's your personal comfort zone. We've combined a powerful 1500-watt infrared heater with a built-in humidifier to deliver efficient, soothing heat that doesn't dry out the air you breathe. Imagine curling up with a book, mesmerized by the incredibly realistic 3D flame effect that you can adjust to set the perfect mood. With simple plug-in operation and a lightweight, portable design, you can easily bring comforting warmth to any room in your home, from your living room to your bedroom. Control everything from your couch with the included remote for easy adjustments, customizing your experience with 3 heat settings: auto, high, low, a 12-hour timer, and a thermostat. Best of all, we built your safety into every detail with advanced tip-over and overheat protection. This is the worry-free, all-in-one solution for anyone seeking an affordable, stylish, and supremely comfortable heating experience. Get ready to transform your space and stay cozy all season long. It's the ideal supplemental heat source for your living spaces. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.